Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a full Shopify clothing store setup step by step. So essentially, I'm going to be walking you through finding our free Shopify theme, customizing our theme for our newly created clothing store, and of course, how you can get started with adding new products using CJ dropshipping. So without much further ado, let's get started. So as we get started with this process, creating an account with Shopify is the first initial step. So let's go ahead and navigate to shopify.com, and if you don't have an account yet, then go ahead and click that start free trial button. To take advantage of a special offer, click the link provided in the description box down below for a $1 offer on your first month with Shopify. This exclusive offer allows you to explore the platform and its features at a minimal cost, making it easier to kickstart your online business. You can select a plan that suits your business needs, keeping in mind the $1 offer for the first month, and then after completing the account setup, you will gain access to the Shopify dashboard. And that's where we can start exploring the Shopify theme store to find the perfect theme for our clothing store. So as we start navigating to the themes section, take a moment to envision how you want your brand to be perceived by your customers. Consider the style, aesthetics, and overall vibe that you want to convey through your online store. By filtering the themes specifically for fashion, you can narrow down the options to those that align with your brand's identity and resonate with your target audience. So for a clothing store, a free theme like the Dawn theme by Shopify is a great starting point. This theme offers a clean and minimalist design that puts the focus on your products, making it ideal for showcasing clothing items effectively. And with its responsive design and customizable features, Dawn allows you to create a visually appealing online store that reflects your brand's style and enhances the shopping experience for your customers. Once you've identified a theme that aligns with your brand identity, it's time to customize it. So click on the Customize button and we can start by changing the colors and the fonts. So within the theme customization settings, locate the options for colors and fonts. Match the colors to your brand palette by selecting hues that reflect your brand identity. And choose fonts that are easy to read and align with the tone of your brand, ensuring consistency across all text elements on your website. The next step would be to customize the layout of your online store to optimize product display and enhance the shopping experience for the customers. My tip would be to arrange product sections in a visually appealing manner, making it easy for visitors to navigate and explore your offers. So you can consider showcasing featured products prominently and organizing categories intuitively for seamless browsing. Additionally, you should always prepare high-quality images of your clothing products that highlight their details and quality. So upload the images to your Shopify store, ensuring they are optimized for web viewing to maintain fast loading times. For example, I have this product right here, and as you can see, the image is pretty high quality. There's consistent image sizes and styles to create a cohesive visual experience throughout the store. Back at the homepage, design banners that capture attention and convey your brand message effectively. This is what the visitors see once they land on your website. So use compelling visuals and concise messaging to communicate promotions, any new arrivals, or your brand values. Always keep in mind that customization here is not just about aesthetics, it's more so about creating a seamless and engaging user experience that resonates with your target audience and leaves a lasting impression. So experiment with different customization options, seek feedback from others, and always continue to refine your store's design to create a compelling online shopping experience. And this goes on for even beyond the fashion genre. Moving on, as you progress in building your Shopify store, it's time to populate it with the products. And from here, we are going to talk about two primary methods of adding products. The first one would be to manually add products. And you can do that by navigating to your Shopify dashboard and clicking on products to begin adding them manually. Enter product details such as the title, description, price of course, and variant to create a comprehensive product listing. Again, be sure to upload high-quality images that accurately represent your products and engage customers visually. I would recommend that you set up product categories and tags to organize your inventory effectively and make it easy for people to search for your products. And that's really how you add products manually onto your store. However, if you don't have products that are ready to be manually added onto your store, then we can go to the second method here in order to add all the products that you want onto your store very easily using a platform called CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping offers a convenient and efficient solution way of managing your product inventory and fulfillment processes. We will simply need to connect our Shopify store to the platform, sync products effortlessly, and then leverage the benefits of this in order to add products with a simple button, as you will see next. So let's start by connecting our Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. And to integrate these two platforms together, we're going to be using CJ Dropshipping application found in the Shopify App Store. So click on apps in the left hand menu to access the Shopify App Store, and then search for the CJ Dropshipping app in the store and click on it to view more details. Install the application and then follow the prompts to authorize access to your Shopify store. And just by doing that, the two platforms should be synced. So once the integration is successful, you can start syncing products from CJ Dropshipping to the Shopify store effortlessly. Browse the product catalog in CJ Dropshipping, select the products that you want to add, and then simply click on the orange list button right here. From here, you need to make sure that your store selection is right, so double check your store's domain. And then go ahead and write out the product type, so clothing in this case, and the vendor. You can choose a title for your product or just keep the product title and description as is from CJ Dropshipping if you want. The next step would be choosing a variant pricing, so you can go ahead and select the pricing that you want or click on the recommend listing price, and then CJ Dropshipping will recommend a price for you to list it with. Once that is done, click on list it now and watch how this product gets imported to your Shopify within seconds. And now if I head back to my Shopify store and check the products, it should be there. And as you can see, it is already added. The product title, description, and all of the images with the variants have been imported perfectly. Now, of course, you can further customize this, edit the title, description, make it match your own brand or store writing style, etc. However, for most times, I would be satisfied with CJ Dropshipping's writing. The products are now uploaded and they are available to be sold to our customers. Rinse and repeat this process until you populate your entire Shopify store with products using these two methods. And just like that, with these simple steps, I have a solid foundation for my Shopify clothing store, as you could see in this video. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what your thoughts are or whether you have any questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.